While you may only need 10 minutes to build a diagram, most people spend another 40 minutes trying to make it look professional. When most of your time is wasted on pixel pushing, the tedious work of nudging lines and snapping shapes, you lose the momentum to actually innovate. Lucid's assisted layout fixes this. In this video, I'll show you how it transforms the canvas into an intelligent partner that handles the alignment and spacing for you, so you can stop focusing on the pixels and keep focusing on the ideas. Let's start by building a diagram in Lucidchart. When building, always start with a container. Assisted layout is included with every container in the Lucid suite. This container already has assisted layout enabled, so I'll go ahead and turn it off, because if you use a container that doesn't, you'll just simply hover here and turn assisted layout on. As an indicator that assisted layout is enabled, you'll see these shaded areas called drop zones. Now the magic happens. As I build out this flowchart, my shapes stay perfectly arranged and my lines snap into place, aligned and professional. No more pixel pushing or manual nudging. Now that you've built your initial diagram at lightning speed, assisted layout makes it easy to make adjustments as your ideas and processes evolve. Just click, drag, and drop shapes where you need them to go. The lines and spacing automatically rearrange to keep everything uniform. You can easily copy and paste to expand the diagram, or drop a new shape directly between existing ones using the drop zones. If you need to resize, you can simply adjust the spacing handles while maintaining perfect consistency in much less time. For those who want even more precision, the assisted layout menu here gives you total control over sizing. For a one-click solution, select Fit and watch as the container snaps perfectly around your content for a clean, neat finish. This means the container will adjust on its own as you add shapes. You won't be able to resize the container on your own. To resize it manually, select Manual and click and drag the edges as needed. Now that your foundation is built, it's time to collaborate with your team for feedback. We'll switch into Lucidspark by clicking here. Now, with assisted layout enabled, you have the ability to attach sticky note feedback directly to specific shapes so that feedback doesn't get mixed up. First, select your container. Now, to keep your feedback in context as the diagram evolves, simply hold the Command or Control key while dragging a sticky note toward a shape. You'll see an attachment note appear, locking that note to the object. Now, if a shape moves to a new part of the process, the feedback goes right along with it, keeping your conversation organized and in context. If you need to move the note to a different spot on the shape, just hold Command, click, and slide it. And if the feedback has been addressed, a simple click and drag removes the note from the shape. This ensures that even as your team innovates and iterates, nothing gets lost. And to turn assisted layout off, click here, and back on here. And there you have it. Assisted layout in the Lucid suite helps you build and polish your diagrams and boards faster than ever. Open a project, toggle on assisted layout, and let your canvas work as hard as you do.